Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove your MX-5 front bumper. First, gather your tools. A 10mm socket, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver will be essential. Park your car on a level surface and turn off the engine for safety. It's also a good idea to lay down a blanket or some cardboard to protect your bumper when it comes off. This preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free process for your vehicle. Next, let's tackle the wheel wells. Turn your front wheels inward, either left or right, to give yourself ample space to work. You'll find 3 Phillips head screws on each side, attaching the fender liner to the bumper. Remove these screws. Once they are out, gently pull back the fender liner. This action will reveal 2 10mm bolts on each side, hidden just behind the liner, which are crucial for the next step. Now, let's continue with the remaining fasteners. First, remove those 2 10mm bolts you just exposed behind each fender liner. Then, move to the underside of the car. You'll find 4 more 10mm bolts holding the bumper to the frame. Remove all of these. Finally, look at the top edge of the bumper, near the headlights. There are 2 Phillips head screws there that also need to be removed. With these out, almost all the fasteners are gone. With all the fasteners removed, it's time for the final step. Gently pull the bumper forward, starting from the sides and then moving to the center. It should come away quite easily. Remember to check for and disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights or turn signals before fully detaching it. Once free, carefully place your bumper onto the blanket or cardboard you prepared earlier. Congratulations, you've successfully removed your MX-5 front bumper.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.